Installation method of cabinet type perfluorohexane fire extinguishing device. Not taking up space. The first step is to install the nozzle. Then place the storage bottle in the cabinet. Step 2. Install the high pressure hose. Connect the high pressure hose to the container valve and nozzle. Step 3. Install the bottle clamp. Tighten the nuts on both ends of the bottle clamp. Step 4. Install the solenoid valve. Tighten the interface between the solenoid valve and the container valve. The entire installation process is complete.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.